Want all your apps to think you're traveling the world without even leaving your couch? If you've ever wished you could change your iPhone's location anytime, anywhere, I think you need an iPhone location changer that doesn't require a PC, doesn't jailbreak, and supports the latest iOS 26. I recommend iMoveGo. Lets you spoof your location in any app that uses GPS. Just download it using the link below this video and try it out. Search for any city or drop a pin on the map. Tap Move, and your location instantly changes. For example, from Tokyo to Los Angeles. And all your apps will now use this new fake location. With iMoveGo, you can simulate real movement. Use 2-point mode or multipoint mode to automatically plan a route, or draw your own custom route. Set the appropriate speed for the type of travel you want to simulate, and hit Move. See, you're now moving along a realistic path. If you play Pokemon Go, this makes hatching eggs or catching Pokemon from home a breeze. Prefer more control? Switch to Joystick Mode. Again, after setting the right speed, sliding the control panel will allow you to control the movement in real time. It's perfect for games, dating apps, social media, or anytime you want to hide your real location. Download iMoveGo with the link below and try it for yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more smart tips.